So guys, all right, so we're gonna talk about the doorknob. Now your doorknobs, they over time the screws loosen for them by themselves, who knows why. But I'm gonna show you how to tighten them up. Now there's two ways you can do it. If you don't have an Allen key, you can get a screwdriver that's like a Z, and you can pull this off right here. See it, Johnny? So you can come over here, grab it. You might need a screwdriver. You can just grab it and knock it off. And then you can take one of those Z screwdrivers, stick it in there, and then tighten it up slowly. A 90-degree
Or
screwdriver. You can actually, this handle right here has an Allen key in it. So you can come over here with an Allen key and loosen it up. And then slides right off. Then you can pop this off and screw it in. Now, if you're new to my channel, I do a whole bunch of how-to stuff, frustrating stuff that I find frustrating in order to figure out how to do it, and then I'll go ahead and share it. Homeowners type stuff. So if that's something that you like, check out the rest of the videos, or check out some of them, see if you like it. If you do like it, go ahead and subscribe. Trust me, all these things that I do, a lot of people ask me how to do, and I'll go ahead and make a video on it. So there you go. It's all in. It's nice and tight. Only took a minute, and yeah, hook a brother up. Subscribe.